Timeti ko senin chibie kandoje e mudi already Kisii County e governor macho. Osebora ichibie kandoje. Abanto beebire inga simbarati no mugavana Kisii County. Timeti osemoro chama ngana. Osenin chibie ka. Yeah? Ani already machogu akoroka namne governor. Already montako pimora machogu ne governor. E governor ya Kisii County ka akite tuko banyolia pa kusimwa SP mora bali muebire simbarati. Simbarati ba mito kaki. Yeah? Simbarati ne governor. Abanyali bali njire mogo cha mumu amwire nga bono machogu. Amito kaki e governor asebonega simbarati. Kai. Moko muhebanga naro. Jesus Christ. Kai. Simbarati ne governor yabuso. Yani machogu asako gene. Yeah? Governor machogu. Amina na kimogo teba. Governor. Kieke. Governor ya Kisii County Simbarati. Bamu inyorana akataki. Naro. Musuko. Barache. Bamito kaki. Tainga Kisii County ya mwire. Oyo kagenda isiko Simbarati. Oyo goso machogu. Period. Kwa hata na nkuyo. Kupima na birengeli mbijo. Iba mwete. Eyore biya. Eyore biya anyway. Eyore biya. Nabadaringa. Mo base koboa. Ebintu bikwe banga byoka. Ngora. At least Kisii County. Nyamira ndutu amwire. Gavana ntobwati. Gavana mbono togo chora. Ntobwati. Ntobwati tuanyoro mugavana ochire. Ruto nwale busongo. Denga tunataka mochari. Na tunataka mali ya kupatia wanawake, mamama, watoto. Togo deana wa. Na bibikona. Lakini yeke ntukika asaine bonika. A ground get shifted. Machogu is gaining ground strongly. Umeto ngwae nato tete machogu no miya ntuchitu kumwego. Togo te ngwae mugaka pole. Bonika twa ntutakiriria wembe mpe. Tukalero Simbarati mugatoa. Bono byato sambire. Bono tuirani renga. Ngwae matiangi bonsi pi itoleni 1 page. Egawa nengia machogu. 1 page. 1 page. Abagaka beko kanambi yaba kala se governance kubwa basaye. Timeti usenje ndoche bobe. County teyo korauno musaye boni ka Kenya ga ekokorabia. County teyo ekorauno musaye ekokorabia. A good example Kisii County. Second one Mombasa. Yanda Nandi County. County teyo ekorauno musaye ekokorabia. Naro kombi yako korano Patrick Olentutu. Kubwa many counties. County teyo ekorauno musaye ekokorabia. Eko kana basaye nchirenero tubwate kira giti yokubwata mali yokotimba chole kuchiana kubeka muno. Enchirenero tubwate kiburu tokwire bugavana ntoranga nindu turateba muntu geteka kwe okwa. Boka nyoro mwana onyoro. Enchirenero tukwika toma kwebanga itwachole tukokora banenchigazi. Abasaye bako joroma kunyoranga mambite kayo nderero. Kai Rochete anda boliswara. Kisii gali etawni itichiranire. Ngaichibesa ngaichibesa chi kogenda chitagache inyekitali yende gali busongo kokonya abantu. Enene kabisa tumetenga other than level 6. Ndobwate nyekitali yende nene ikurusia abantu abange bali level 6 ko utuka kidogo anyi utuki kidogo nyolenga hokona level 6 yali tuliko ikaranza kiyeka. Kwani chibesa chibulete chuko kachenya gitali yendo tevenaki other level 6 yeye kuse moment no ne capacity ya level 6 obole mukiborale monyemente kabisa etu alichi outlets outpatient chibe chinyingi umuntu uko iko chap kwa kuli kwage ndibi ngo pale level 6 karaga sinini nelieta neline eto konte vinga chiro te kwa gachuka le busongo era basukutwara wana biashara le bonsi people street bako chandeke mbara gusi babe 10 nduko twara chibesa chibulete pi chugwa kana chi contract busongo kali bakora bakote chigasi nongwai bako yonda kweta ataka nilvesa chibesa chibulete pi chitabiki chirami busongo ali pamitoka chibesa chibulete pi nene stadium muleta rosi kupaka ruta chikwa bali tutuka meze tomokame kai arama ne gavana na kurwa ndako korango baro kinde video ndete kuburi naki igo twamwa Kisii twanya kobembera gerense ndogo ikirasi tuikaranse gotebe naki ingi tubwate eslasha obokombe tokore egasi korwa ase okorema na okorabi tonyore kende mpaka tuikirase tukurira gerense let us grow up naba Kisii let us grow up tutiga mang'ana aya manga gasi niga ataiyo kero omonto keria abwate akorera aba Kisii naki ngote na abachumbe balasima tiangi mobasocha gotoleraga kora egasi ni chibesa chiri mubwate arama tekonyoraga chibesa cha CDF wakana 22,500 kiro mwanafunzi okonde school inonki mutakanire 22,000 ev arama lego ndanto bate ward ya enaki constituency ya enge ward akinya bantu na bange baro lakini kolende abana 3,000 ya kwakanira 22,500 bagende school togote baiga bona nayo oli constituency ya gere nene tukubata na 3,000 ora bakana 22,500 egerende tumanya naki arama gawa kana 22,500 constituency ya yenke na aye yage nene already 3,000 muna bali barama kwakanire baminto wamaya museko ngumba gatebe wanyoma gakana tingonyoma tiga baba nyome nganere bwali wamaya Yesusunkere manga kyaveka malinda buno mondo Yesusunkere manga kyaveka malinda buno mondo kagenda koega nzale moina malinda buno mondo kagenda koega nzale moina kebasonkora ringa malinda akaronyandwaro kebasonkolera le malinda maya karonyandwaro kebasonkolera le malinda karonyandwaro otengo igika wanongolera mule ika mokora harakiri mubwate murakore gasingia tomera na comment section mwante hivi ngakere siminse ga bali bano gamba ninje go support your channel nere number anytime any day ndiamona sana musese niu see you for more videos.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Aba Kisii people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Kisii homestead, the authentic Kisii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. As we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Kisii culture. Thank you very much.